from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School. First of all, happy World Environment Day to everyone from Nur Academy. On this great occasion, let's make a conscious effort to reduce our plastic use and promote sustainability. Here are some simple ways to say no to plastic. Number 1. Use reusable bags. Bring your own bags when shopping. Refuse single-use plastics. Decline single-use plastics like straws, water bottles and cutlery. Every small action counts and collective efforts can lead to significant positive change. Let's work together to reduce plastic use and promote a more sustainable future. Say no to plastic and encourage others to do the same. Thank you.
As you can see here, two of my juniors, namely Parin Mahir of Class 2 and Ankit Tamang of Class 2, are showing how to refuse or say no to plastic bags and use eco-friendly bags to save our environment. Thank you.